Hello Firdaus Techs.
Hi Safia.
It's been a while.
Yeah, exactly.
For over the months you were doing great. I'm seeing your handle, Firdaus Techs, on all social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram and YouTube.
You know social media is part of me now.
I'm really impressed by your videos and it's something that I really like to do. But the sad thing is that I'm really limited. I wish I can.
Oh really?
Yes.
Video editing is very simple and straightforward.
Wow.
But don't worry, I'll be guiding you step by step throughout the journey.
I'm really grateful for this offer. What is your policy toward it?
My policy costs 0 hora in ponto. It is free for me to share any tutorial but
what? It about maintaining your principles, which is you can't get a tutorial video until the video get at least 1000 plays and 30 comments.
Yeah, exactly. If this it can help me understand what my views want to learn and make it more easier for me while I am making the tutorial video.
I really like your principles. It really good, which shows how care and good you are for your viewers. We are really proud of you in this platform. So my advice to all viewers: when you see a video you want to learn or you need the tutorial, like the video, shares to 5, add to favorites and leaves a comment. With your comments we'll able to help the tutor or creator to understand what you want. Also the algorithm will push the video to more interested viewers. So comments as much as you can. Don't forget to ask any questions whenever you have any doubts.
Safia, you are really a good student. Here we good.
Firdaus Techs. Thanks you sir.